learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hello everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on Icrt.Hello,
你好，大家好，我係 Alice
Pong。Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林集小 Joseph Linides. And here with Alice, we're teaching you a Hakka that you can use on an everyday basis. 不过今天要教的这个东西呢，希望不是天天都用得到啦。
希望不要。
对，但是偶尔还是会碰到啦。
对，
不管是自己或周围的人嘛，就是病了，生病了。Yeah, catching a cold, getting sick. Okay, so 生病怎么说呢？
你唔好
啊？你唔好？你不好啊？
不是你不好，是人不好。
人不好。That's interesting. In the Hakka language, when you say I'm sick, it literally means my body or the person is feeling unwell. 就是人不好。
有时候也会有人说不平哎。
哦，不平哎，这我听过，
就是破病
了。对。That means I'm getting sick. You know, let's say grandma is sick and she's having a fever. 这个奶奶发烧生病了。
阿婆发烧，你唔好嘞。
哦，阿婆就是奶奶 ，That's grandma. Okay, 阿婆发烧，
你唔好嘞。
你唔好嘞。
对。
Okay, that means grandma is sick. She's having a bit of a fever. Okay, 那有生病的时候呢，我们就要最好是请病假，如果可以的话。Okay, you should take a sick leave if you're really sick because first you need to rest up and secondly you don't want to contaminate people around you. 其实是为己，然后为他人也好，对不对？不要传染给大家。
对呀。
所以病假 a sick leave 怎么说？
病假。
哦，病假。Okay, that's a sick leave. 今天感冒要请假。I have the flu today, so I'm going to take a sick leave.
今本日寒到愛請假，寒到就是感冒了。
哦，寒到就是感冒。Okay, that's a good term too. That actually literally means the common cold or flu. 那就是感冒 all right?
对。
So the whole sentence.
今本日寒到愛請假。
今本日寒到愛請假。And finally, if you are sick or if you're in the hospital, you're known as a patient. 也就是病人。
病人。
病人 Okay, that's the patient. And let's say you're in the hospital and you can check out already. So you want to say 病人已经康复，可以出院了啊。
病人病好诶。
病人病好诶 ，OK， 都是病嘛哈，病人病好了。
对，病人病好诶。
啊，病人病好诶。
做得出院嘞。
做得出院嘞。That means you can check out of the hospital.
那病人海陆腔，病人。
哦，病人 Okay, that's a different dialect for patient. So there you go. That's today's practical Hakka for you.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.